asparagus for spring. Steaming asparagus. Cover it and cook it until just cook. That's done. Leave this to cool down while we're doing the rest of the recipe for today's video. I'm making Involtini Primavera spring rolls, and these are the spring rolls wrapper. This is the spring rolls I make when I don't feel like doing all the prep for the filling. My filling is the speck, I called it smoke ham. Steamed asparagus, cheese, oil is hot already. Let's put the Involtini Primavera. When the cheese starts to melt, remove it from hot oil. It might burst.